Hi, I'm Debra, and I'm here at the NASTA Conference 2025 in Philadelphia with LaMotte. They have such a fabulous resource that I'm touching right here. It has so many parts and pieces that help students really understand the health of a stream. Students that I've been working with for many, many years have been going to our local stream. We gather our local leaves, put them in the stream, collect them after about a month or so. While we're waiting for the animals to accumulate in this wonderful leaf litter, we look and learn about all the different animals. All of this comes with the LaMotte kit, of course, and it shows you their size, their shape, their colors. Children really get to understand what they're looking for. And then the big reveal comes the day when you pull the leaf litter out of the stream, and you can really figure out how healthy the stream is based on the animals that you find there. It is a joyful, wonderful, magical time for children. At my school, after we do this, we write to the upper school students who are going to do it later on in the year and tell them about the health of the stream based on the animals. And then when the upper school students go do this experiment, the same water, they do the chemical analysis and come tell us how healthy the stream is based on the chemicals. It's such a great collaboration, and it wouldn't be happening without LaMotte. Thank you so much, LaMotte, for being here.